A shimmer descends upon Leo's backyard, not of water but of sparkling glitter. Leo, a young boy, stares listlessly through the window, his boredom palpable. The magical rain ceases, and a sudden spark of adventure ignites within Leo. With newfound energy, Leo bursts out of the house, eager to explore the transformed world. His destination, the ancient oak tree, a silent guardian of his childhood dreams. He stands beneath the oak, gazing up at its glittering canopy. Sunlight dances through the leaves of an ancient oak as Leo kneels at its base. Beneath the soil, a rusty key emerges, radiating a gentle warmth. As Leo touches the key, a delicate tinkling sound echoes through the grove. Suddenly, Flick shimmers into existence, her iridescent wings catching the light. Flick's urgent gestures fill the air as he conveys the dire news. The Glimmerwood Queen is lost. The Glimmerwood Queen is lost, and the key can unlock the path to find her, Flick declares, emphasizing the key's importance. Leo, brow furrowed in concentration, points the key at the ancient oak, his focus absolute. With a determined twist, Leo turns the key. Anticipation hangs heavy in the air. Golden light shimmers, forming a door-shaped outline on the tree's surface, a pathway revealed. The forest beyond the door twinkles with an ethereal glow, beckoning them forward into the unknown. Leo and Flick venture into Glimmerwood, where the air vibrates with the gentle chime of magical flowers. The forest floor glistens with streams of starlight, a celestial river winding through the enchanted woods. Yet a pall hangs over the land, with patches of gray betraying the queen's vanishing touch. Leo pauses, his eyes scanning the faded landscape, a deep concern etching across his face. Flick clutches her staff tighter, her gaze hardening with resolve as she faces the encroaching decay. The magical flowers fall silent, their chimes fading into a haunting stillness as the forest mourns. Barnaby's humble abode emerges a quaint hut nestled among the gnarled roots of an ancient tree. Barnaby, his face etched with perpetual annoyance, stands before his home. Barnaby speaks, his words carrying the weight of distant observation. "I saw the queen fly towards the silent mountain 3 moons ago." He offers a cryptic clue. "If you're looking for her, try the Observatory of the Fireflies." The Observatory of the Fireflies comes alive as thousands of fireflies paint the night with their ethereal glow. Among the sea of lights, Lumina distinguishes herself with a brighter, more purposeful glow, a beacon of urgency in the tranquil night. The fireflies pause, as Lumina delivers a message of grave importance. A dire warning pierces the tranquil night, as Lumina cries out, "The queen is trapped on the silent mountain, her song silenced by a great gloom." The weight of Lumina's message hangs heavy in the air, as the fireflies absorb the dire news. Before the imposing silent mountain, a vast chasm stretches, halting progress. Leo raises the key, its metallic gleam catching the sunlight. He turns the key, and a bridge of rainbows shimmers into existence, defying the emptiness. The rainbow bridge stretches across the chasm. Leo and Flick reach the summit of the silent mountain, where an eerie stillness blankets the peak. A looming presence darkens the mountaintop. The Shadow Weaver, a creature of nightmares, holds the fairy queen captive. Imprisoned in a cocoon of eerie silence, the fairy queen's radiant light struggles to pierce the darkness. The fairy queen's light barely flickers against the encroaching darkness. Leo surveys the scene, determination etched on his face. Flick stands beside Leo, his expression a mix of concern and resolve. High atop the silent mountain peak, Leo raises the key, its metallic surface catching the sunlight. Leo puts the key to his lips, whistling a silly, out-of-tune song. The oppressive silence shatters as the Shadow Weaver dissolves into wisps of smoke. Freed from her ethereal prison, the queen watches as the rainbow bridge shimmers, its vibrant colors intensifying. The rainbow bridge solidifies, transforming into a doorway that leads back to Leo's familiar backyard. He steps through, leaving the magical realm behind. As Leo fully crosses over, the key disappears from his grasp, leaving him with only the memory of his extraordinary adventure.